Hi all, greetings of the day. In this video we'll gonna see how we can change our SSID and its password. Basically SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. So in lame word we can even say it as Wi-Fi name. As you can see here, our SSID, our office SSID name is Solintech, or you can say it as our Wi-Fi name is Solintech. So we'll let you know how can we change this name to XYZ, to any of the name that you like, that you wish. And the time I get connected with it, we need to put in password also. So I'll also tell you in this video that how can you change the password and how can you change the Wi-Fi name. So for that again we'll go to Explorer. As you can see here, we'll go to Explorer, and as you already have seen in my last videos that we always go to Explorer whenever we need to access our local IP. So to access our local IP, I've already shared in my last videos also that we need to connect to the same network, to the same ONT, to the same router where we wanted to change SSID and the password. So we'll get connected with it, and as you all know that we have a default IP of our ONTs that is being installed for BSNL internet is 192.168.1.1. so we'll log into it. Post logging in, we'll get this page on our screen. So we'll put our username. As I'm putting my username, I'm putting the password. You may have got your username and your password, or you can ask your service provider or the internet installer that what he has kept the name and the password. Fine, so I logged in now. Post logging in, you can see that this will be the front page that you will get. Now we'll go to network. To change the SSID, we'll go to network. Post going to network, we'll go to WLAN, wide local area network, or wireless local area network, you can say it as. So we'll go to WLAN. Post going to WLAN, we can see here as SSID. So here we can change our SSID. Let me change our SSID to Solin family. So as I've changed the SSID to Solin family, now I'll try to apply changes. So as I've applied changes, I believe it already have got changed. Now let me check it. As you can see that now I am unable to open the login page to 192.168.1.1. It is only because that we are not connected to the same ONT. Earlier we were connected when it was name was Solintech. Now as we have changed the SSID name, we have changed the Wi-Fi name, now it may have changed to Solin family. Now let me check it here. Yeah, now you can see that we have changed the name to Solin family. Now the Wi-Fi name is coming to me as Solin family. Now we again go to Solin family. We'll try to connect. Now they'll ask for the network security key. So let me put in my network security key. So it is verifying and connecting. Now it is connected, and you can see on the screen that we are to the logged in page. Now I'll again log in to this. We'll put in username. I'll put in my password. Now I am putting the verification code. Okay, sorry, I have not logged out yet. So what I'll do is I'll again go open up my Explorer. It may be open somewhere else too. As you can see that I'm logged in here also. So I'll put in admin. I'll put in my password as now putting the verification code. Sorry, I'll again close Explorer. Now I'll open my Explorer again. So opening up my Explorer. Now you can see that I have already logged in now. As I was not logged out, so I directly came to the front page of this ONT. So the user interface is like this. Now I'll again go to network. I'll again go to WLAN. As I can see that I have changed the SSID as Solent family. So it is already changed, that you have checked by yourself. Now to our extreme left we can see WLAN basic, WLAN advanced, WLAN security and WPS configuration. So we just need to go to WLAN security. We just need to change pre-shared key here. So we'll change the pre-shared key. So this is your password. So you need to change your pre-shared key. So when you'll change your pre-shared key, and you need to put in as apply changes. Now as my pre-shared key is the very same, so this is what you can do. So this all I have for this video. As you can see that now we went out of the page because we were not connected, because we changed the password. As we kept the very same password that we have kept it earlier, so it has connected by itself. So this is all we have to our video. If you face any of the problem, any of the queries that you have, you can write us to our website and we'll try to reply at earliest. So this all we have in this video. Be connected, be safe and live a healthy life. Thank you very much.